We don't take Discover card. What kind of establishment is this? Oh no, they don't take Discover? What kind of establishment is this? Right? Let me get that for you. Wow, it's like magic. It's more than magic. It's America card. My name's America. I can help put that same magic right in your hands. All I need you to do is sign right on this line. I do already have my Discover card.
We don't take Discover card.
Okay, I'll sign. Done. There's so many things I've been needing to buy. The possibilities are endless. Why don't we start with some deodorant? Come on, let's go. Look at this purse. You need this purse, girl. Oh yeah, it's so cute. But I already have a purse at home. But you'll get
Cash back reward.
okay. It's so cute, but I don't know how I'm gonna pay this off. You'll be fine. Just do monthly payments. Come on. I saw a perfect dress to go with that. Let's go. Just do monthly payments.
Just do monthly payments.
Monthly payments are so cool. Faioso sleep with no hand. That's weird. You owe America card money. But I paid the monthly payment. You still owe us the full balance plus interest. Let this be a warning from America card. I'll be back soon. This is America. Hey, I don't know what's going on, but these people, they won't stop bothering me. They keep saying that I owe them money, but I already paid. I see. You're only making the minimum payments, right? But you said that all I needed to do was pay my monthly payment. Yeah, but you still owe us $2,776.13, factoring in an interest rate of 75% and considering you're doing the minimum payments. So that means that you still owe us $20,745.56. 75% interest? It was right there in the contract that you signed, sweetie. But my cash rewards can get applied to my balance, right? Of course. Your cashback rewards of 25 cents will be credited to your account at the end of 30 working days. So when are these people gonna leave me alone? Unfortunately, not until you pay off your full balance, girl. I can still make the monthly payments, right? Yeah, but you still owe us money. Don't forget to complete the survey regarding your experience after our call, yada yada. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Bye. Ugh. Hey guys, so just an update on what's been happening with the whole credit card situation. I was able to return most of the things that I bought when I went on my shopping spree. I was able to pay off the credit card bill in just a couple of months. Lesson learned, credit card companies are evil, they do not care about you, and all they want to do is put you into debt. I get to hang out with all the best people, buy all of the latest clothes. It's America Card. You're gonna love it, girl. Don't do it! You get low interest rates, a cashback rewards program, and a trip to Washington, D.C.